Good morning, everyone. What's happening? It is our last full day in LA. We are heading out for another short hike at Eaton's Canyon hike. Eaton Canyon hike. That's just 22 minutes away from us. It's in Pasadena. So that will be our morning workout. Chris is excited again. I don't have the car keys.
It's closed today. What, Eaton Canyon? Oh, Eaton Canyon Nature Center is closed today.
Oh, great.
Is there another hike?
We are currently heading over to Phil's to get some coffee. What up, guys? We made it. Well, I took a head start before the guys. As you see in the background, it's the Hollywood sign. So we're doing this little 4-mile hike up to the back of the Hollywood sign. Like a lot of cars. You see everyone's just parked up on the sides. You got a lot of tourists taking photos. Not sure if they're actually heading up, but we'll see. It's a short hike right there. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. Bend the knee, Chris. Bend the knee.
1, 2, 3.
I guess this is the official trail, right, Ringo?
Yes.
Alright, Ringo's taking us up. And hopefully we get to the top soon. So, yeah. Restricted entry, no hiking allowed to the Hollywood sign. Everyone's doing it. See what happens. Not sure if you can see the city of LA, but it's just right in front of us. So that's how hot and muggy it is. Oh, we got a long way. I just flew the drone, but look at it, the zigzag. It's like all the way down there, and then all the way over there, and all the way back up, all the way up to there. So it's gonna take a while. So kind of ran into this plant here. I don't know if this is legit or what. I think it is, right? Maybe a different version, but there's a whole bunch of this stuff just growing randomly. There's another small one there. Oh, Ultra Runner making it up.
I'm preparing, man.
Oh, almost to the top. We're almost at the back of the Hollywood sign, which is just around the corner there. Here's just another view of LA and the path we took up. Legs a little tired. Made it to the top. Made it to the top.
Why did we go that way?
Unless Jay wants to go all the way up there.
Yeah, man.
I'll wait for you guys down there. I'll
Does
drone.
it actually go connect?
Yeah, there's a guy walking. There's people walking up there.
Okay, cool.
Oh.
That's not,
Wisdom tree.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, we can get down on that side.
I think so. Whew. back down. The guys are still waiting for Jay. He's just at that peak over there somewhere. I stayed back. I did some drone footage of them running up or walking up. So I'm gonna head down first since my leg, well, since I have to walk down slower, so they will catch up to me soon. But we are done. So yeah, cool. Too bad I don't have the red shoes. I was kind of slipping already, just heading up to the Hollywood sign. So better not take the chance going up there. Alright, I don't know. Probably take another 20-30 minutes to get down. It is downhill. So. Cool. It's a cooler day. It's not as hot as the last 6 days. Thank God. This is so hot. Yeah, a lot of people out today. Alright. We made it back from the hike. Chris is satisfied once again.
And you more satisfied.
We just cleaned up, showered, and a quick bite. The owners just gave us a plate of rice and beans, which we devoured. So now we are going to head off to Venice Beach, grab lunch, and then I think we're going to Ross's. But after that, no clue. It was a nice hike, nice and cool. And then it's not as it's not as hot as last few days. As you can see, it's cloudy. And the temperature has gone down. The heat wave is over. Where are we going, Jay?
Pizza time.
Pizza time. What's this? Rocky's what?
I have no idea.
Rockin' Pies or
Some
Rocky's
pies,
Pies?
please. Rockin' pies. Yeah. Good drive today.
Right.
No traffic. I finally parked there properly.
Yep. Everyone's out. There's no one in the city, so.
It's real good, actually.
Oh, did they go in already?
Rockin' pies.
Rockin' Pies. Pizza. How's it? No words. Devouring. Jay's like speeding. Getting back to Venice Beach. Just watched a show, some skateboarding. Now Chris is gonna do some shopping. Oh, yeah, do skateboard.
I'm not a smoker, but that's expensive.
Nice.
Oh, you want some kitty tacos?
Cheese tacos. Oh yeah. So we're just gonna chill on the beach, walk up and down. We're done. We are heading home. Where are we going? Last sunset of the trip.
That's the sunset of the trip? It's not even set yet, not even orange.
It's not going to be orange. Alright. The end for Chris.
End for Chris. It's the end.
Everyone's happy. Everyone's got toys.
Set them toy into real life. Do I put the sticky side on?
Yes. He's being recorded. How not to apply skin.
Like this? Real bad. Fingerprint mounted now.
Man, your finger should have been wet. That's right. Hi!
This beautiful man, one last time.
One last ride.
One last ride in.
Get drunk.
Huh?
Drunk on sake.
Alright, one last dinner. And we're going to ball out.
Birthday week. Birthday week.
Oh, that's sake?
Oh yes,
Oh, shit.
tacos.
Sushi.
Oh, some unio. They have unis.
These guys are so high class. These fucking Scotch glasses are better. It's better than my good Scotch glass.
I thought you were going to say rounds.
Oh no. Nice, man.
Alright, Chris is already drinking. Bought a $5 sake. Let me show you.
1.5 liters.
1.5 liter. Where is it? There it is. This is what we'll be drinking tonight after tacos. Beautiful. Jay bought 5 mochi balls, but none of us ate it. So, yeah. Good guy, Jay. Alright, so we are sitting down again. Alright. I'll go sit down again.
Am I ever going to speak to my daughter again?
So the plan is return the car, and then Ringo's gonna pick up his car, and then dinner,
Have my daughter
and then second dinner at 26th Avenue, Avenue 26. I think Chris is going for the record, 50 tacos tonight.
50.
$50 worth of tacos. That boy.
It's a slow process, but
And then come back, sleep, and be grumpy for our plane.
I have to
Plane ride home.
I have to forgive her.
What a week,
because
what a
if
week.
I don't forgive her,
Fun times. We were just getting gas, just filling it up so we can return the car. We dropped off Ringo and Chris at Payless, so they might take a while. But we're gonna drop our car off, and then they will come and get us, and then we head to dinner.
Now I gotta figure out where Avis is.
We are returning the car early,
Yep. Lucky them.
so we don't have to get up early tomorrow.
Yep. Lucky for us.
And then Ringo will drive us around.
I'm just parking the side and figure out where it is.
Nice.
Devoured.
Still working on it. Goodbye, Chris.
Goodbye, Chris. Go sign the deed.
Good sign earlier. I don't want your.
We'll be reminiscing.
Oh wow. So full.
But Hong, but wait, that's only dinner number 1.
We're
good. We're good.
Dinner number 2 coming up. 20 tacos right there. This guy.
What's this, promotion?
Alright, taco time.
One last ride.
One last ride. Oh god.
6 for you.
One last, oh god.
I'm buying you 6.
It ain't
Stick the lame, so I'm sick.
happening. Then I throw you with sake.
Which way? Which
Both
way?
sides.
Both sides. It's gonna be a fun night.
They're so gross.
It's close, right? Yeah, Skid Row is 0.2 miles from here.
I don't think I even need to go on the highway a lot to get here.
Fuck, which way are you going? Are you going west right now? East? Oh, you're going west?
Continue straight to stay on East 4th Street.
No, you're going east.
Skid Row. Oh, it's so dark in here now.
Literally west of this is Skid Row.
No, man, I'll eat one if we're there.
Oh man. He's gonna blame you
But
then.
if Ringo's I see. Why does he with Tommy?
You shouldn't hold it, man.
Sienna. I remember.
I don't want to get stuck foot, man. What up, guys? This is it. We're back. We didn't go have tacos because Ringo said he needed to go to washroom, so this is it. Didn't have our second dinner, so we're just gonna drink sake for the rest of the night and enjoy this last night here. All right. It's been a fantastic week. Here it comes.
3 strikes and you're outlaw. Sentence of life in prison.
I'll have to censor that.
25
But,
years.
peace out.
Next year.
Oh, Tijuana next year. Same place, same time, same
The homicides
crew.
are way down, shootings are down, things are,
Who's dead?
you know, it's just like the only end to this life is either prison, being dead. So some of the kids, I think, are learning that.
Oh, we all dead.
They're not wasting their lives in gang activity.
We ain't finishing this. You guys are gonna pass out.
Caught life and 17
All right. The vlog's out. See ya.